Hey guys, I just wanted to record this video, make it very clear how to submit your rewrite assignments that you have to do this week. So I've got these steps listed here. You're going to open your assignment in Quick Links in your gradebook. You're going to read the feedback that I gave you. And then you have to use that feedback to revise and edit that writing assignment. And I want you to do that back on the original document that you've saved on your computer. I want to be able to see the first writing assignment and the revised writing assignment on that document. You're going to save that document to your computer and then submit it in Module 2 where it says Rewrite Number 1 Assignment. And that assignment is worth 10 points. There's a rubric attached to it so you can see what it's worth. So I'd like to just go through this and make sure you know the places that you're looking in order to do this. And back on Blackboard, you're here looking at Quick Links. I clicked there and it took me to My Grades. When I click on My Grades, I'm going to look for writing assignment number 1. It's here. And I'm going to go over and look for the score. After it's been graded, it looks like this. It's got a score, and then it's also got a comment. And when I click on that bubble, I see a comment that just gives me a brief idea of what I did fine and maybe what I need to improve on. This one says, oh, you chose a good topic, you show the impact of technology, gave good examples to support your main idea, more editing is needed. Okay, that's fine, but there is more detailed feedback inside your document. And that's what I want to make sure you see. So I come back over here to where it says Writing 1, and if I click on the assignment, it will open up again in Blackboard, and it will show me the assignment you submitted with my comments. And here are my comments, they're in green. For this student, I said, oh, you've got to list something here in the brainstorm area. List some ideas before you start to write. When I got to the paragraph, I made some other comments about checking for format. You should double space. You should center the title. You should do a spell check in order to avoid some of the spelling errors. So I just want you to see how this looks when you open up the assignment. And the next step that you would then need to do is to use that feedback back in your document. So I want to show you now, I've opened up the document as it is in Word. And here's the document that was originally submitted. And I'm even going to bring this up so you can see the ribbon that the student will have to use for editing. Right? So this student, you can see, is going to need to do some spell check here. Some of the formatting needs to be changed. And what the student should do is not start changing their original, but give it a new title, Rewrite Number 1, and copy this paragraph, right? Highlight it. We're going to copy that paragraph, and then this student can paste the paragraph below. And I pasted the paragraph already, and I started to make some of the changes. I figured out how to double space, for example. For those of you who are still looking to do that, it's right here in this ribbon where I see line spacing, and I brought it down to the 2. 2 means double. Right? I found out how to center the title and how to change all the spelling errors. And that really helped this paragraph. So now this student, Susan Jones, has her first paragraph that I commented on. She used all of my feedback and has a rewrite that looks much better. She's made lots of changes. And now she's going to save this again and resubmit this to Module 2 resubmit it on Blackboard in order to get points for her rewrite. And just the final thing that I'll show you is that as she's submitting this, she'll find that there is this rubric. It's worth 10 points, and you can see that the rubric is here. It talks about either doing a great job, incorporating feedback. You might get 7 or 8 points, which means you did fine, but there's still some problems. You might get 5 or 6 points, which means the feedback was not really incorporated. There's still some significant errors. So I hope that helps you in figuring out how to submit these rewrites.